Look at this. Look at this. Look at the color. Wow. That's how we do with the steaks, fried fish, roast vegetables.
I want to get that fish. Good.
Yeah man, you can't come to Jamaica and you know buy some old fish to do, man. No. This is coconut drops. If you're a Jamaican, you know about it. Coconut drops. This one is the gizzarda. Yeah. Jono, it's a blessing when I come from a family where I can do everything. My sister make them here. Yes, Jono. So this is the carrot. You know, this is the carrot for me. You know, you put the vinegar, onion, and pimento seed, and yeah, make that little sausage on the fish. Grated carrot. Yes, so that's what's going on here. And this is the real Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah. This I got mixed up with the onion and the carrot and the vinegar, and you know, with more spice like. Yeah, so watch it. Yeah, this is it. We have more to come inside.